Hey everyone, it's Lisa from Epic Yarn Gems. I just wanted to pop on really quick to let you know what's on my hook. The first thing on my hook, it kind of just looks like a swatch here, but it is going to be a large brimmed crochet hat. And I thought I had enough yarn to do this. Actually, I thought I had a couple skeins of this color, and I didn't. So I had to place a quick order to Premier Yarns to get this same color. Of course, I couldn't just get this one yarn. So I probably will have an unboxing from Premier here pretty soon. And also in my area, they don't sell Premier in my Joann's or Michael's or anything anymore. So I always have to order it online. This is not one of my patterns, but once it's finished, I will share the link with you all. The next item that I'm working on is a corner to corner baby blanket, and I am using the Premier Bloom yarn. This is the first time I've used this yarn, and again, I did not have enough of this yarn to make the entire blanket the size that I wanted, so I had to place an order to get this yarn. Actually, I really like how it is working out. This is probably only my second corner to corner blanket, and I am just done with the increases, and I'm going to be starting the decreases. But once I'm finished, I am going to do a video to show you all how to make a corner to corner blanket if you're interested. The last thing on my hook is a scarf I've been working on with a little keyhole in it so that you can slide the scarf through and keep it real nice and tight up to your neck and it doesn't slip off. I'm using the Charisma yarn from, I believe it's Loops and Threads, and I just absolutely love these colors. These are like some of my absolute favorite colors. This is a pattern of mine. It is a stitch that I got from my 500 crochet stitch book, and once I finish this up I will be doing a tutorial. It is a super easy pattern, so watch for that. Also, I wanted to let you know that I will be doing a giveaway here pretty soon. I wanted to get it up for October and do a Halloween giveaway, but time just escaped me. So watch for a giveaway. It will be coming here pretty soon. And also, I have several other videos that will be coming in the future weeks of some new stitches, some more yarn reviews, some of the finished projects that I've done. They're mainly beanies with links to the patterns. And I just want to thank you all for stopping by. Like I said, I just want to jump on really quick and let you know what's on my hook. I hope you all stay safe. And as always, peace, love, and happiness to y'all. Take care.